I even don't have to apply anything on the eyebrow. It looks so perfect. It looks so nice. It looks the way it's supposed to be, right? Hello people, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Henry, back again with a new video. So today guys, I'll be doing a short eyebrow grooming. I'm going to show you how you can groom your eyebrows at the comfort of your home. It's very easy, whether your eyebrows are micro shaded, whether they are microbladed or not. You can groom your eyebrows at the comfort of your home. It's just so easy. When you follow these easy steps, it's just easy. It's easy. You can do it, guys. So guys, subscribe if you've not subscribed. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I'm so much overwhelmed by your love. Thank you, and share the video to your friends, comment, and let me know what you think about the video. So guys, stay tuned. So what you need when grooming your eyebrows, you need a spoolie. This is a spoolie. If you don't have a spoolie, you can use a toothbrush that you don't use to brush your teeth. My nails, I know they're bad, don't mind my nails. Then you need an eyebrow razor. This is the eyebrow razor. You can just fold it like this when you're not using, and you can open it like this when you want to use it. If you don't have this eyebrow razor, you can use any kind of razor that you have, even the nurset, any razor, scalpels, whatever that is available to you. You need to have a Vaseline. You can also use a Remis. It's just about what you preference. You may need a scissor. I bought a blow dryer and it came with this package. I was so lucky to have this package. It's for nail care, but sometimes it can also be used for the eyebrows. We have these scissors, and also we have this, what do we call it? The one that usually plucks eyebrows. Is it a tweezer? I'm not sure. So I'll need this small scissors. If you don't have these small ones, you can just use the scissors that you have, not necessarily that you have the small ones. And then guys, you can start. You can see my eyebrows are very bushy, at this area. You can see they are so bushy here, underneath here also they are so bushy. So first thing that you do, you just brush up the eyebrows. You brush them up. So you brush them up. I'm lucky mine are micro shaded, so it's easy for me. But even if yours are not micro shaded or microbladed, you can still use this method. After you brush them up, that's when you come in with your petroleum jelly. You just apply ample of it. The reason why we apply the petroleum jelly, it's just to improve the grip of the razor on the eyebrows. You just apply ample. Yeah, like that. For this video, I'll be facing down because I want to do some shaving. The advantage of having this razor, it has a handle. It's easy for you to remove the extra hairs. You can see it's like I'm done. And then on the top, just do the same. You just get close to your eyebrows, to the shape of your eyebrow. Just close so that you don't have shapeless eyebrows at the end. You can see that's clean. Look at the razor, it has so much hair. I don't know if you can see. Let me wipe this so that you can see how much hair it has. See, this is the excess hair that I've removed from the eyebrow. Once you confirm you've got the shape that you wanted, all the excess hair is all removed. Once you confirm that, you take a spoolie and brush your hair up. You can see there is some long hair on the eyebrow, on the upper part. So just come in with your small scissors, this long hair on top, like this. Be careful not to cut the most part of the hair, because you're just shaping your eyebrows. And then brush again. And see if you've cut the hair. You can see at this end the hair is still long. This part is okay. You see the scissors has a lot of hair. Let me also wipe it, and you see the amount of hair on it. See? So we go back. Sorry, I'm facing down. I have to because my mirror is just below the camera. You see? No long hairs. The hair is all equal. The hair is well done. Then you can wipe off your excess jelly on the face so that you can have a clear look of how your eyebrow looks. Look at that. No extra hairs here. It's smooth. And don't have to apply anything on the eyebrow. It looks so perfect. It looks so nice. It looks the way it's supposed to be, right? That's it, guys. They look so perfect. They look so nice. They look so cute. I'm in love with them. Actually, I always do this weekly, once in a week, and they look such cute and groomed. So guys, I hope you're going to try it. I hope this helps you out. I hope you'll be able to take care of your eyebrows at home and they look as cute. So guys, until the next one, bye.